out from the crowd. Born winners are less sensitive to disapproval and rejection. They comprehend that the path to triumph is not always coated with applause and acclamations. In reality, it's often the stark opposite. There will be times when they'll confront a lack of approval, even confrontation, and outright rejection. These experiences, though harsh and disheartening, are not something they shy away from. Instead, they use these instances as stepping stones to be stronger, better, and more resilient. They perceive criticism not merely as a setback, but as a potent fuel for growth. As an integral part of life, they see it as a constructive feedback mechanism, a tool for self-improvement, a learning curve for acquiring strength. They do not look at criticism as a negative force. Rather, they embrace it. They seize it as an opportunity to refine their strategies, to enhance their skills, to strengthen their resolve, and to become more resilient in the face of adversity. In their hearts, they know that their path to success might be fraught with setbacks, but they remain steadfast. They maintain an unwavering belief in their worth and potential, and never allow anyone else's opinion to diminish their self-esteem or shake their confidence. They know their value does not decrease based on someone's inability to see their worth. They remain convinced that their worth increases with every step they take, every challenge they overcome, and every victory they achieve, no matter how small. They are not afraid to and challenge themselves. They know that the only way to improve is to keep pushing and never give up. They are always on the lookout for new learning opportunities. They understand that every experience, whether it is a failure or a success, is to learn and grow. Their desire to improve and their commitment to their goals is what makes them born winners. To these born winners, resilience isn't just a trait, it's a lifestyle, a driving force, a guiding. It's the fuel that keeps them going when times get tough. They are not discouraged by setbacks, they are inspired by them. They understand that not everyone will appreciate their journey, the hardships they go through, or the sacrifices they make, and that's perfectly okay. The approval of others is not their driving motivation. Their resilience, their unyielding spirit, their belief in themselves, and their commitment to their goals, these are the things that define them. To them, resilience isn't just a trait, it's a lifestyle. They understand that not everyone will appreciate their journey, and that's okay. Winners focus on the task at hand. It's a definitive quality that sets them apart from the masses. In a world where distractions are just a click away, they maintain an unwavering commitment to their goals. They create a fortress around their objectives, insulating them from any disturbances that may come their way. Distractions may come in waves, like wind howling in a storm, but winners remain firmly planted. They are like the mighty tree standing tall amidst the chaos, remaining unswayed and firmly rooted to their purpose. Winners have this extraordinary ability to zone in on their goals. They can cut through the noise, the distractions, the unnecessary details, and laser focus on the task at hand with an intensity that can be awe-inspiring. This is not just a fleeting moment of clarity, but a consistent and deliberate practice. They do not get drawn into the allure of multitasking or juggling multiple responsibilities, no matter how tempting it may be. Why is that? It's about understanding the importance of concentration, of dedicating one's energy and attention to the right things. Winners prioritize. They understand that not every task deserves their attention and energy. They differentiate between the essential and the non-essential. They are not swayed by the illusion of urgency that often clouds judgment. They see through the fog of distractions with a clarity that allows them to keep their eyes fixed on their destination. This is not a journey of 1,000 miles taken at once. No, winners understand that to succeed, they must build their dreams one focused step at a time. They respect the process and understand the importance of each step taken in the right direction. They are patient, knowing well that true success is a long game. Just imagine a sculptor chiseling away at a block of stone. Each stroke of the chisel is deliberate, each chip of stone a step closer to revealing the masterpiece within. Every single action is a careful consideration of the end goal. Patience, consistency, and focus merge together in a beautiful dance that slowly but surely shapes the stone into art. That is the kind of focus winners have. They see the masterpiece within stone, within their dreams, within themselves. Their vision isn't clouded by the immediate, by the mundane. They look beyond, seeing the potential that lies within every challenge, within every opportunity. They perceive the world differently. To them, it's not about doing many things. It's about doing the right things with unwavering focus. They don't strive to be busy, they strive to be effective. They understand that success isn't about the quantity of tasks completed, it's about the quality of each task undertaken. Every action they take, every decision they make is a deliberate step towards realizing their dreams. That's what makes them winners. Born winners aren't superstitious. They understand that success is not a product of luck or chance, but rather, it's the outcome of relentless pursuit, consistent efforts, and a steadfast belief in their abilities. They don't attribute their victories to a four-leaf clover, a rabbit's foot, or the alignment of the stars. Instead, they attribute their success to the late nights, the early mornings, the sweat, the tears, and the indomitable spirit that refused to quit in the face of adversity. Superstitions can often be distractions, leading us away from the path of hard work and dedication. They can create a false sense of security, making us believe that success will come easy without effort. But born winners know better. They understand that the only genuine path to victory is paved with hard work, determination, and a relentless drive to be better. Winners know that their success is a result of hard work, not lucky charms. Winners refuse to equate value with self-worth. This is a powerful mindset that sets true champions apart. They comprehend that the essence of their being isn't tied to their accomplishments, nor is it measured by the applause of the crowd. Their self-worth isn't a fluctuating stock market, rising and falling with every win or loss. Instead, they perceive their value as intrinsic, unchangeable, and independent of outside factors. They're like the diamond that remains precious, whether it's covered in mud or displayed in a high-end jewelry store. They understand that their worth is inherent, not assigned by others. This viewpoint liberates them from the exhausting pursuit of external validation. It permits them to be authentic, to follow their true passions and not just what is applauded by society. It's a liberating mindset, one that allows them to be true to themselves while striving for greatness. They understand that their inherent worth as individuals isn't determined by external achievements or opinions. Born winners see the bigger picture. They don't get bogged down by the here and now, the immediate obstacles, or the fleeting failures. Their vision extends beyond the horizon of the present moment, reaching into the future with optimism, determination, and an unyielding belief in their own potential. They see not just the solitary tree, but the entire forest. They perceive not just the single thread, but the entire tapestry. Each challenge they face, each hurdle they overcome, is viewed as a stepping stone, a part of their journey towards greatness. They realize that these moments of struggle are not meant to break them, but to fortify them, to make them stronger, more resilient. They understand that setbacks are not the end of the road, but detours leading to better paths. Winners understand that setbacks are temporary and keep their eyes on the prize. They remain steadfast, unwavering in their pursuit of success, because they see the bigger picture.